In this video, I'll show you how to access Facebook Business Manager on your mobile phone step by step. You can manage your Facebook pages, ad accounts, messages, and business assets directly from your smartphone using the Meta Business Suite app. First, open the Meta Business Suite app on your Android or iPhone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business. Once you're logged in, you'll see your business dashboard. From here, you can switch between pages, create and schedule posts, reply to messages and comments, check notifications, and view insights. To access additional settings, tap the menu or settings icon. Then open Business Settings to manage your pages, ad accounts, team members, and other business assets. If you manage more than one business, use the Business selector at the top of the screen to switch between accounts. That's how you can access and manage Facebook Business Manager on your mobile phone using the Meta Business Suite app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.